right here. And so you can see this is the staircase, come up into the entranceway, which sits right here, leading to the backyard. Got a small entrance closet right here. This wall is now separating the two units. So you can see, again, your fire build. The resilient channel, 5/8 fire code drywall running down the entire staircase. Also up here, separating the ceiling of the downstairs staircase from the upstairs. All right, I'm here at another one of our conversion projects. This one, again, we're doing construction momentum consulting for one of our clients to take care of the rental end-to-end on one of these conversion projects that is also being slated for a potential garden suite down the road. All right, so we're down in the basement right now. I'm gonna give you an update here. We're probably 30-40% of the way in the basement and probably 40-45% upstairs. So I'll walk through, I'm going to point out a couple of different interesting things that we can see at this stage in the process. So let me flip the camera around. I'm going to start downstairs on this one and work up. Okay, one sec. All right, here we are downstairs. This house is a nice big footprint. So you can see in the kitchen, living room area right here, we've got 3 windows along the front, so good natural light. What we have right here is the resilient channel. So this is part of the fire build. Resilient channel, 2 layers of Ruxol, 1 layer of 5/8 drywall gives us that fire build and that fire rating between the floors. So there's a good chance in this particular process to see that resilient channel and what it actually looks like. That's a very common question. What is this resilient channel and what purpose does it serve? Another thing we can see right now, so you can see we've got forced air gas here, and this is a 5/8 fire code drywall insert around the boot so that fire can't travel from one floor to the next. All right, so that fire rating is intended to wrap right up around the overside of that boot in between the 2 floors so the fire rating is not interrupted as soon as you hit a heating duct. Okay, so that's one interesting thing. You can see down here we have the kitchen being roughed in. You can see the 220 service for the stove, the over-the-counter plugs all set up here. You can also see the sink roughed in here, hot and cold being plumbed to it along with the drain line, the ABS. What else have we got down here we can show you at this stage? This, again, it's oversized 2-bedroom max in Peterborough. With that extra footprint, we're able to utilize that by putting in a den here, which will increase the value and the rentability both. Okay, over here, we've got the tub already roughed in with the bathroom. If you remember, this house is framed a little bit differently. So we've got one supporting wall here and another one here, both running the width of the house instead of the normal. This wall would normally, this one that we see running down the length here, would normally be the center supporting wall running the length. And this house is not built that way. Bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 side by side at the back of the house. This is one of the guiding principles, is the bedrooms are beneath the bedrooms from the upstairs. And really that's a noise and livability factor that when possible we factor in, because if people are sleeping, why not have them at one area of the house up and down as opposed to, you know, a living area right above the bedrooms in the basement? Doesn't make a lot of sense. Okay, so that's one of the guiding principles. It's not written in stone, but it's a good thing to think about when you're solidifying your layout. All right, so here's the panel. Again, this is going to be upgraded to 2 meters. We're in the process right now of ordering that. We've got our double closet down here in the first bedroom. Same thing over here in the second bedroom. Another double closet sitting right there. You can see the header going across. Okay. And again, obviously this is the area for the stackable washer and dryer. We've got our 220 for the dryer, hot and cold water for the washing machine all set. In here, the weepers run to this sump pump right here. We've upgraded and relocated the furnace like I mentioned in the last video. I did not see the in-duct smoke detector just yet, but that will be installed as per code. Okay, so we've got our mechanical room. This is where the on-demand hot water tank's going to go. Everything's all set here. Okay, so we're going to go up a couple of stairs. right here. And so you can see this is the staircase, come up into the entranceway, which sits right here, leading to the backyard. Got a small entrance closet right here. This wall is now separating the two units. So you can see, again, your fire build. The resilient channel, 5/8 fire code drywall, running down the entire staircase. Also up here, separating the ceiling of the downstairs staircase from the upstairs. Okay, now we do the upstairs, and again, we're a little further along here. The rentals upstairs are typically not as big, as is the case in this one. Okay, a couple of steps up, we've got our huge kitchen. Again, you can see right here, you've got our 220 service roughed in for the stove. That is where our kitchen's gonna go. We have our electrical, plumbing running there. We've got just a massive set of windows coming across here. So this shared living room, kitchen, open concept area is gonna be fantastic. You can see here, we've got our luxury plank vinyl flooring running right over top of the oak. It's very, very common in this age and style of home to have the oak floors. We usually update it just like this. Gives it a brand new look and feel. So bedroom number one, nice big bedroom, windows. It's actually got another entrance door right there. Nice big closet. Bathroom, new tile floor. This toilet will be replaced. New tub and surround already in place at this stage. Okay, now we've got the area where our stackable laundry is going to go. You can see the dryer vent already routed there. Nice big bedroom here. Again, double closet. I showed you this in the last video. We've got double hung vinyl windows already installed in this house, which is a bonus, but look at that backyard. And again, our other investors purchased the neighboring property with also a huge backyard. So just phenomenal. And again, slated for an ADU down the road as a phase two. If you're interested in what I'm referring to when I'm talking about this phase one, phase two, just reach out to us. We can describe exactly what that is. There's a number of benefits to the phase one, phase two strategy of converting now to the second suite and down the road in the ADU. Not just because Peterborough doesn't allow both just yet, but because from a financing, a pure ROI, a pure number standpoint, phasing it into two is very beneficial, like a really, really good way to do it. And essentially, you know, you can fund that ADU with the investment property right up front, so it's huge. Okay, so you can see here the electrical lines running in. This is where the panel is going to go upstairs. Got our window. So this is the third bedroom up here. Okay, so that's it for the walkthrough on this one. Again, we're about just less than the halfway point here, and we've got lots of progress to make. Okay, one more thing. We've got the island plumbing roughed in here. You can see the hot and cold and the drain lines coming up here. Okay. All right, so that's it for this one. We'll give you another update here before too long. Thanks for watching. After years of training, consulting, and strategizing with investors, one thing becomes very, very clear, and that is there's a one-to-one correlation between clarity and focus and results. For investors who have clarity and focus, their results are not only faster, but they're better. And for those who don't have clarity and focus, they struggle. They struggle to produce results. They struggle to make steps toward what they're trying to achieve because what they're trying to achieve isn't crystal clear for them. If you don't have that clarity and focus today, reach out. We can help. We have the tools and the systems to be able to flesh out those goals, flesh out that clarity of market and strategy and the approach to get you from point A to point B faster in the most expedited path possible. And where we don't have the tools, we have developed strategic partnerships with people that we're happy to introduce you to help gain clarity and focus. That is the number one linchpin that we see with investors. And thank you for watching. Some people have reached out in appreciation of the content and asked how they can support. There's a very simple mechanism to be able to do that. If you would like, share this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. These are all things that help us propagate our content, help get our content out to more investors, and we would be hugely appreciative of that. Thanks again for watching.